Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestudingschool.com. Today, 10th January 2017. Nifty daily chart, if we analyze, I think if you can even refer our yesterday's analysis, also, we have said that we are in consolidation since we are in trapped in price. If you see current Nifty's bar, yesterday's bar, which is actually below 100 EMA and below this trend line, trying to cross this line. We have made an attempt day before yesterday, and after that attempt actually resistance has tested, and yesterday we have tested support of 50 EMA. So most of the time when any resistance, if you have to break, suppose if I plot this is as a resistance, and if in case any price action or anything moves to break this resistance, what happens is test this resistance, and then once resistance is tested, then it will move further down. But when it comes down, then that time it will for sure will test support for somewhere. If in case it tested support, if in case it tests supports, and then after that it move up, it will be a second attempt to cross this resistance. If in this second attempt it crosses this resistance and go beyond that, that time actually we see there is an excellent resistance breakout, and then while breaking this resistance in market, it has to be followed by proper volume. So actually this is what had happened. We have tested a resistance. Now we should test a support at this level. If in case second attempt reaches this level, then we will see a breakout with a proper volume. So we are expecting market to break this trend line. Unless Nifty breaches this trend line, we will not see any proper move. And at present, if you look at this line is somewhere around 100 EMA, and that is 8,299. So 8,300 level, which is a very important level for Nifty at this moment on daily chart. So if in case Nifty crosses that 8,300 level, then we will say that yes, Nifty had actually reached resistance, and we will see a proper uptrend. At present, we are somewhere around 8,234, and our intraday chart is showing us that we are last 2 days we are coming down. Yesterday we had seen a consolidation. We have said that the Nifty should cross this level. Today, with similar analysis, nothing has happened yesterday practically as far as on chart is concerned. So 8,225. This is the level of yesterday, almost yesterday's low. If you see, then the low is 8,227. So technically we will make a round figure. So 8,225 once breach south, then we should think of level achieving 50 EMA, and that 50 EMA is placed at around 8,200 level. So there will be a 20 point around 20 point 25 point again will be there if you go short, if Nifty try and seek a support at 50 EMA. If that 50 EMA support also breaches, then we will see a support around 8,190, and further down if it goes, then 8,166. This is a 100 EMA. So anybody who is following chart, anybody who is trading Nifty today, he has to actually follow Nifty hourly chart, and only then should trade. Without looking at chart, please do not trade in Nifty. Throughout day you should look at chart and only then initiate trade, because every 10 20 20 point there will be a probability of price change. Now those who can actually sit in front of a screen and trade, they should initiate this trade by watching at 1 hourly chart, and once Nifty reaches 8,225 level, go short. Keep your 50 as a first target. Second target will be a previous accumulation somewhere around 8,190, and then third target will be 100 EMA. If in case this achieves, then should square off your position. Do not keep your position overnight. Stop loss, naturally you will have to plot a trend line from this. I'll tell you where to which point you should consider. You should consider 6th Jan high, that is first hour high, that is somewhere around here, And then you will have to consider yesterday's second last hour high, which both highs are actually higher highs comparatively. So join this high and plot a trend line. If Nifty crosses this trend line above, then we should think of square get out of trade, which is a short trade, and then we may think about going long for intraday for target of 8,300 level. But chances are there that unless Nifty crosses 8,300 level, practically better do not go long. Wait for Nifty to cross 8,300 level. Those who want to initiate long trade, we are in a consolidation phase as far as daily chart is concerned. Current strategy which we have discussed, which is a very high risk strategy, trading this strategy would be actually taking a chance. Probability of success is maximum as 60-40% probability is that market trade we may lose in this trade. So those who can afford high risk trade should and only should follow this strategy today. Otherwise, please stay away from Nifty unless Nifty crosses 8,300 level north. So thank you very much, friends, and thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. Good day.